many of us having the rainwater harvesting structures know about rainwater harvesting structure? Having a rainwater harvesting structure in your workplace or at your home, how many of them? Only 1, 2, 3. So less. So what is the lies here? What we are preaching is not practicing. Whatever gyan we are taking from here, let us implement from today. How many of you planted a tree? Very good, great, great. So why we need to plant a tree? देता है ना ऑक्सीजन फ्री में देता. कोरोना के टाइम में we understand, okay, one of my boss, DRDO, some of them are professors DRDO, they are built within 1 week 1,000 bedded hospital. They made every day 100 plus oxygen generation plants and all these things. When we are getting oxygen at free of cost from the trees, are we really know about how much a tree give an oxygen? So these all are as the basic needs we need to know more about, and whatever gyan we are taking, can we implement? I will give you one good offer for you people. If you are going to plant a tree whenever, on behalf of, I will also plant a tree for you for your purpose. I am doing this. What we did, we started rainwater harvesting gyan lena, whatever pledge we had taken. Now, this pledge is started 12 years back. We made millions of people to be part of this water taking pledge, not just pledge. We are calculating. Even though till today we are saving every year 3.5 TMC annually, trillion meter cubes liter every year by just doing rainwater. What are we doing? A lot of people buying containers and water tankers. Okay, our volunteer, we have approximately all over India 13,000 plus volunteers. Okay, Kalam Center, Kalam Sena, what we have. So it is very simple. We are saying that if you whatever purchase 3 containers and 3 tankers of water, with the same amount, you can build rainwater harvesting structure at your home, if it is your small home. If it is a bigger home, even number of plants and all these things. Only very less cost we can implement rainwater harvesting. And if you start this thing, your burden will be, government will become less, because in urban area there is so much big water is like just like a what you call ocean, bigger than ocean, this subject. Okay, so what is happening if you start conserving water? It is only very less amount, it is not very expensive, it is not rocket science, it is very common sense kind of this thing, very simple activity which we need to be implement.